Hello everyone, welcome back to harpersmmmchic. Today we're going to be making two super delicious and healthy Korean-inspired salad dressings. The first is a gochujang dressing that is super spicy and tangy, and the second is a creamy soy sauce dressing that doesn't use any nuts or dairy but uses tofu as a creamy base. Also, by topping the salad with tofu vegetable dumplings, you can have an easy to prepare protein-packed salad that is also meatless. So, let's get started. Quick meals are so necessary in our busy lives. And who says salads have to be boring? Although I enjoy my simple oil and vinegar salads, giving the dressing a little Asian flair really does it for me. Making your own dressing doesn't have to be complicated. Usually it's just a balance between sweet, sour, salty, and for me, a little spicy or creamy. At first, I used to use a ton of nut butters or dairy for creamy dressings. But I found that tofu can really give dressing a nice creamy flavor without making it too heavy. Give it a try! I hope this recipe comes to you at a good time when you have run out of ideas for meal prep or are tired of the usual. By the way, if you're traveling with your dumpling salad, a little tip is to pack it in a separate container than your greens and run it in the microwave right before you eat. I truly believe that a hot lunch is always more exciting than a cold lunch. Just saying. See you next week! If you like what you see, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, harpersmmmchic. I really hope you try these recipes. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, harpersmmmchic. Stay chic and healthy!